I'll give you a little red flower, blooming on the new branches that grew yesterday. Lele sings so well. Hey, teacher Chichi. What fun thing are we building today? Today we're going to build the famous tower bridge. But it's a big project. Put on the mic. Let's make a video. What are we going to do with this video? This is a beginner's wireless microphone. When recording videos, wearing it will make all the surrounding noises disappear. It can only record our voices and the sound of the blocks snapping together. I will bring it when recording videos. The microphone is as small as me, but with a lot of energy. Teacher Gigi, let's build it quickly. I really want to see what the tower bridge looks like. Let's first take a look at what the tower bridge looks like. And it's done. Why is this bridge called the tower bridge? Has built for thick pillars, because its bridge deck can open and close. After placing a pillar passing on the water, we count 1. Our tower bridge will open. 4. Letting our big ship pass through. Then put another pillar after our big ship passes. Hey, the bridge deck will close like this first, and then cars the same can pass on the bridge. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's build it now. Put it here. Find a big floor. Like this is fine. Our bridge deck is supported by thick pillars. Let's build its bridge deck. For thick pillars, take out 2 9-hole beams. Find 2 rectangular blocks. We put them together. These 2 blocks are separate. There's a big gap in the small pieces. We use the blocks to press them. We put it on our bridge deck. But how do they connect to the bridge deck? We build them to the same height. Take out 2 3-hole beams. Next, let's build our mechanical structure. So the bridge deck can open and put it between the 2 3-hole beams. Take out our turbine box. Find a green shaft to go through. Put on our turbines. Hey, and worm gear. Now our bridge deck is connected to the one on top of the grey axle. But now our bridge deck won't open on its own. We put it in the middle. Let's close it ourselves. Find 2 short smooth beams. This is when a mechanical structure is the grey axle. We pull up and close the bridge deck. Chi turns our elbow with one hand. Let's raise the 4 pillars. Our small gear starts moving. Build 4-story small pillars. But our smooth beams are not moving with it. Take out 2 small base plates. So we need our little duck crank. We install them on the small pillars. Now it's our turn to rotate the grey axle for small pieces. Let's take a look. When the gears start turning, our smooth beams also move. Find 2 more long smooth beams. 1 green axle. 2 pulleys. Put our pulleys in the middle of the 2 short smooth beams first. Put on 2 long smooth beams. We need to fix pulleys on both sides. Now, we need to lift up the bridge deck. Connect the smooth beam with the 9-hole beam. Then take out a green shaft. Fix the pulleys on both sides. At this moment, you can see our bridge deck is lifted. Now, Teacher Gigi will rotate our worm gear mechanism. Let's see if our bridge deck can rise. Our bridge deck has risen. Right? But Teacher Gigi's hand hurts a little when turning it. I'll install a little duck crank for him. The duck crank here is also called a hand crank. First install a pulley. Little duck crank. Let's try operating it again at this time. Teacher Gigi has built another road surface. Right? Let's make our bridge deck a little longer. The bridge deck here is the same. Now, this big project of ours, let's try to let it pass on the bridge deck. Then install the car. The car passed smoothly. Hey, now the base is built on both sides. Let's try if the bridge deck can open. Wow, open our bridge deck opens at the same time. The big ship on our bridge deck. At this time, our big ship can pass through here. Now our tower bridge deck for opening is built now. People can pass here, but its towers are not yet completed. Our bridge deck, there is a long pedestrian walkway on top of the towers. Let's build it. Our bridge is open the bridge quick. Find 3 small windows. Lele, you try it. Let's use them as its 3-story boat is coming. The 3-story tower is installed. The boat is coming. Let's install its pedestrian walkways. Find 2 rectangular base plates. We put them on both sides. Then find 2 more base plates. After installation, it was found to have cracks. So we need to use these thin plates to interlock them. After locking, it becomes very firm. Let's build its last layer. Teacher G built such a small house. And its roof. We put it here. Our tower bridge has an elevator. People can slowly go to the top floor here. Then go to our pedestrian walkways. Here at the pedestrian walkways, we find some small fences.